own sanity. Just let life happen as it will. Maybe getting older is just learning that things don't always go how you want them to. The hardest truth about this is that we have no control over how others treat us. Every single person we meet will have some type of impact on our lives, whether we want them to or not. The people that are kind to us, and even the people that hurt us. But even in the hurt, we are given lessons. Every interaction shapes us in some way, sometimes gently, and sometimes with an overwhelming force. Maybe that's what growing up really is. Learning to find meaning in every moment and embracing the person we become through it all. And maybe, just maybe, realizing that every experience, good or bad, is a step towards understanding ourselves a little better.